The field effect transistor. The field effect devices are those in which of current controlled by the action of electrons field rather than carrier injections, and the field effect of transistor are so named of the because weak electrical signal coming through of one of the electron create and electrical field through of the rest of the transistor and the field of known of the unipolar transistor. The term refer to the fact that the current of the transporter by carrier of one of the polarities is where of the conventional of the bipolar transistor carrier of the both polarities are the majority and the minority involved. The family of the field effect transistor family devices of the divided into the junction field effect transistor, depletion mode of the MOSFET and the engagement mode of the MOSFET is mostly used of the use of the filter based on high is the semiconductor material use of which of constraint of channel of the majority carrier follow the conducting in the semiconductor channel. So between the two ohmic conduct of the source of drain they have to the high input of resistance devices which are will BGT the comparative of the low if the channel drops to the toner impurity of the n type of form of the channel current with consider of the electrons. If the channel is dropped from the acceptor impurity of the p type material will be formed and the channel current will be the consider of the holes. N channel devices have the greater quantity than of p channel type since of the electrons have the higher mobility of on the holes. Thus the N channel is the approximately twist of the efficient conductor compared to the of the p channel is the counterpart value. The magnitude of this current of is controlled by voltage applied to the gate, which is the reverse bias. The fundamental of the difference between JFET and the BJT devices. When of the JFET junction is the reverse bias, the gate current is the practically of zero. Zero is the where base current of the BJT always sum of the value greater than of the is equal to of zero value. Basic structure of JFET would be addition of contain the many contact source of on the drain. JFET will conduct the current equally well use the either direction of the source and the drain load of usually of the interchangeable the basic structural and field effect transistor. The N channel the two type of the P plus religion and electrically and connected to the from of the gate. The simplified sketch of the cross section of the more than practical of the N channel of the JFET value is diagram same of the N channel JFET value. One of the each end of channel, one of the connecting to the subgrade of each devices. It of like of PN junction diode expected of there are two wires connected to the N type side. Transistor the gate connections of source PN junction reverse bias till current follow gate of connections value. Potential of establishments of will from of the displacement of layer where more almost all the production of the N type channel will be the most high field difference to the ground and deflection of between the area of the G and source is the source channel used of the displacement of layer value used of the field emptying transistor. Okay, thank you.